What is going on, everyone? It is Core here. It's been a moment since I recorded a video, particularly a video regarding the mind. So, this is going to be that video. We're going to talk about the mind and matter. And I'm going to make it real simple for everyone. If the mind determines what matters, your mind is not your brain. It's the thing that you speak internally through. It's the device, the technology that allows you to think, to grasp onto things that seem to not be there, yet they are very, very close to you. They almost seem as if they are you. If this technology determines what matters, and the physical world you live in is made up of matter, what is the problem with the current predicament you are in? Why would one find themselves in a position that is undesirable, that was unsolicited? Your mind determines what matters, and matter is a construct of the physical existence, then logically your mind is creating your physical existence because it creates what matters. It's simple. It's not complicated. The matter is what is at hand. What are you holding on to? Your hand is a representation of your mind. What you hold in your hands is what you hold in your mind. It's all reciprocal. It goes both ways. You can mentally hold on to something, which will cause it to materialize. Matter, material, material. It will exist in your physical environment. Your environment is what is around you. And if it exists in your physical environment, it can mentalize, it can infect your mind. You see it, you absorbed it with your sense. One of your many senses, you absorbed it, and now it's infected your mind. You interact with your environment through your senses. If you're listening to something that is a low vibratory form of music, form of sound, of harmonics, it will mentally disturb you. It will mentally affect you. Your mind will be shaken due to the physical construct of sound that you have taken in through your environment. If you touch a hot stove, it will leave a mental disturbance on you. Why do you even believe it's hot? How can you even feel that it's hot? How does your mind know that it's hot? The reaction of it is something different, which I will not get into. Though the actual feeling of it is closely related between your mind and your hand. You can burn yourself without touching anything. How do you think people spontaneously combust? Mental overload. The mind is being overworked, and boom. And I don't just mean go up in flames. It can come out in many different ways. The mind is convoluted and complex and unorganized, and is let to fester on the hyper speed of information that is swirling around in it without any direction or directorial resonance. It will destroy you. Just as being in an environment that is in disarray, where people are not of high vibratory energy, where they do not portray forward moving states of mind, where they do not exist in the moment, where they're hanging on things of the past, where they're judging people, where they're pointing fingers, where nothing is taken under their wing of responsibility. It will destroy your mind being in that environment. You will become that environment. The mind determines what matters. Matter is a part of your physical existence. Material. What materials are you holding on to? What materials do you utilize? The mator. Ma, your existence, your environment that you're within, and the tor is the spinning of it. The toroidal field, the vortex. You are in your mind. Your mind is all around you. Your environment is mental. You can organize it either way. It seems impossible to organize the mind. You can't touch it as you can touch anything in this physical existence. You can touch it. You can grab it. You can move it very easily and very prominently. It's easy to tell when you move something from one spot to another, when you move your hand in this environment. When you are touching something, you feel it. It's easy in this tactile experience. In the mental realm, you can do all the same things. Anything you can do physical, you can mentally do. Anything you can mentally do, you can physically do. This is what this environment is showing you, how to attone your mind, how to tame it and corral it so that you can flow with it. Stop letting it control you. Figure out how you can control it the same way that you move your hand. You can move your mind. It's very simple. We have to stop convoluting this stuff with all of these fallacies that are put out into the airwaves to confuse us with what is going on here. We are mental, spiritual beings in a physical, material existence. It goes both ways. The matter is the matter of fact. What is slowing down your consciousness? You all have a wonderful day. If you enjoyed this video, like it, share it, subscribe. This is high level, very simple, informative information that is going to change your life. It can change your life. It's a short little video. It can change everything for you. Watch it multiple times. Listen to the words I say, how I enunciate. Enjoy yourself.